The Blue Sky Bio Multi-1 implant is a one-piece implant with a multi-unit abutment platform on top. This implant is ideal for long span and full arch restorations such as hybrid dentures and offers greater strength with reduced costs when compared to a two-piece implant with a multi-unit abutment. The Multi-1 is available with a straight platform when vertical placement is possible, but also has a 17-degree and a 30-degree angle correcting platform for cases where it is necessary to angle the implant. This illustration will show the placement technique for 4 of the 3.5 by 11.5 mm Multi-1 implants in between the mental foramina. Begin by raising a full thickness surgical flap and identifying the mental nerves. Flatten the crest of bone as necessary to obtain a smooth bone contour and adequate ridge thickness around the implants. Once the ideal implant positions have been identified, use the 2.0 by 11.5 mm safety stopper drill to create a pilot hole. Insert the paralleling pins and evaluate the parallelism. Next, use the 2.5 mm by 11.5 mm safety stopper drill to enlarge the osteotomy. If the bone is soft, this should be the last drill that is used. However, if the bone is hard, proceed to enlarge the osteotomy to its final size with the 3.0 by 11.5 mm drill. On distally angulated implants, it's necessary to profile the distal side of the bone so that the drills and the drivers can reach their full depth without binding. To ensure that there is no binding of the instruments, use a burr to profile the distal of the osteotomy, reducing it 2 mm in height. Now proceed to enlarge the angled osteotomies to their final diameter. There are 4 implant placement drivers available. There is a ratchet driver and a handpiece driver for the straight platform implants, and also a ratchet driver and a handpiece driver for the angled platform implants. Attach the implant to the correct handpiece driver and begin placing the implant into the osteotomy. If there is high initial stability and the motor torques out, switch over to the ratchet driver to fully seat the implant. Sink the implants until the threads are fully within bone. If a minimum of 30 Newton-centimeters of insertion torque per implant is not achieved, then comfort caps should be placed to a maximum of 15 Newton-centimeters and the tissue sutured around them. Optionally, if 30 Newton-centimeters of insertion torque is achieved on each implant, then the implants can be immediately loaded with a transitional prosthesis.